I'm Daisha.
And I'm Dalton, and today we're taking the Maeklong train
all the way to the Maeklong Market. Then we're gonna load up on a boat and go to the Damnoen Saduak Floating Market.
Let's get to it.
This is one of the most popular tours in Bangkok because you get to experience a train that goes through an extremely crowded market inches away from people, and you ride a boat to go shopping through a local floating market.
My nickname is Charlie.
Charlie.
Yes, you can call me Charlie.
Nice to meet you.
Charlie pretty much told us that there's pickpocketers at the train station and they will use razors to open up a bag or your pocket. Nice.
It smells lovely.
Laugh on the farm.
Listen to Charlie.
Okay, I'll listen.
The train will go to the market at the 11:10. When the train very lovely.
Like a cat.
So the train should be here in about 5 minutes. We're gonna get on the train and then we're gonna take about a 30-minute train ride to the markets.
Come first.
You're cute. Can I sit by you?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in one of those movies where I'm going off to war or something and I'm waving at my family, but we are inches away from these people. I'm having fun. The kid behind me is having 10 times as much
Come to see me here. 11:45.
Got it.
As you can see, the train is moving. Should I jump on it? Yes or no? Should I jump on the train?
They're leaving us.
Should I jump on the train? Oh, he jumped on it. Here, hold this. I guess I jumped on the train. Woo! Ooh. That was cool. We're walking. Oh, look, they're putting it up. Let's keep following.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. As soon as the train got done passing, people started getting ready, opening up their booths again. So the train passed, and all of a sudden you have all the booths opening. So the market is definitely a little crowded. And by a little crowded, I mean very crowded.
Almost knocked over someone's tent.
Yeah. Keep going. They're closing them all.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
Yeah, they said, oi.
He said, oi. I was like, ah. He said, oi. I said, ah.
Yeah. Dalton was like, I'm sorry. Check out the market.
All right, let's go.
So when you're at the market, if you stay along the railway, or if you stay on the tracks, it's so crowded. But you can literally walk 10 feet into the market and it's not crowded at all.
We're definitely getting the full fresh market experience here.
Oh yeah. Crab?
Sawadee.
Sawadee. I love your, yeah, it's so cool. Sawadee ka.
Oh, we gotta get back.
What time is it?
11:41.
Okay.
Okay, we got 4 minutes until we gotta get back, and we're pretty far away.
This market is a little bit like a maze. We're supposed to be back at the front of the train in 4 minutes. We're a little lost.
Gotta go that way.
We'll see you next week.
Excuse me.
I think we've conquered the maze.
Excuse me, I gotta get through. Thank you. We're late.
So Dalton's panicking because he likes being on time. I'm kind of used to being late, but you should be on time. It's a good treat to have, you know.
Ooh,
if you're not like 10 minutes early, you're late. I'm kind of one of those, like, we'll get there when we get there. It'll work out. Ah, meat. Arroy mama. Arroy mama. I don't know what that means, but I like it. Try.
Okay, we found some of our group. Hello.
We made it out.
We got lost.
What's the name of the floating market?
Damnoen Saduak.
Next, we are going to load up on a boat and go to the Damnoen Saduak Floating Market. Oh yeah. The gray one? Yeah, what is that one? Oh, never mind.
Just one for us.
So we got some mango and sticky rice. It's 60 baht, which is about how much?
I'll have to look it up. Very cheap. Thank you. Nice. This floating market's cool. Is that a slow voice? It's a slow voice. It's a slow voice.
Here over there.
Oh, it's so cute.
Goodness. We're getting hooked in. Oh my gosh!
I've only seen this in video. Huh?
Coming. You want this way?
Yeah.
Slowly.
Oh. No, we can't.
No, we can't do
How
that.
much for you?
No, we just want to see it.
We just want to see it.
We just wanted to see it.
Photo.
Oh, we can't take it. It's so cute. It's so cute.
So cute.
I'm sorry. No.
It's so cute. We still got to see it though. A slow loris is like on my secret bucket list to ever see in my life, and that was the cutest thing I've ever seen. Alright, here we go.
Let's try this mango and sticky rice. Oh my god.
What does it taste like?
Sweet. A little bit of like a condensed milk taste, but not too strong. The mango, you can tell it's fresh. It's very good.
I wonder what the real prices are for the things here.
Well, the woman who wanted us to take a picture with that thing, she started at 2,000.
Why?
And then she went down to 300. And we were still like, no. And then she said, well, tell me how much you want to pay. Point at where we want to go, and the boat captain brings us to it. Well, sometimes we don't say we want to go there. These ladies have these little hooks, and they'll stick them out, and they'll grab our boats, and they'll just pull us to them. Thank you. All right, coconut pancake. So the coconut pancakes, they're not bad. They just don't have enough flavor.
They look funny too.
And you can barely taste the coconut.
I bought it, so I gotta eat it now.
So it costs more to take a motorboat than it does for someone to paddle you, which I don't think makes any sense because more work for a guy to paddle. It's less work for a guy to do a motorboat. Thank you, thank you. Kind of refresh.
Souvenir photo.
Oh, that's us.
Memory at Floating Market. You
It's so
want?
pretty.
No, thank you.
No,
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now that we have went on a boat through the floating market, we can actually walk it. So we're gonna walk around now. Yep, no, not please. Little bit. Got it.
You beautiful.
Thank you. Well, as soon as I saw her smile, I was like, I don't know what she's selling, but I'm getting it. Oh my gosh.
Photo you pay money photo.
It's so little. Oh no, let it go. Let it be free.
It was stuck in its little toe thumb.
It's just a baby. It needs its mama. No thank you. Alright, we got some.
How much?
No.
How much you pay? How much?
I paid 100.
Little.
That's how you know you got a good price. My right half.
Alright, so we just ordered some pad thai at the floating market. And we're about to try it. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. Give it a try. Tell me what you think.
Like it tastes like very good homemade ramen, if that makes sense.
It tastes a little bit like pho.
Pho, yeah, it tastes like pho.
Thank you, Charlie.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.